So one theory is that deviled food is just red food. Normally that red comes from paprika. This recipe has paprika, but also onion, pear, and pine nuts. While the nuts and fruit add crunch, the ham has to be spreadable, so process the ham into a chunky puree in a food processor. From there, add the remaining ingredients: diced pear, pine nuts, mayonnaise, relish, garlic powder, and of course paprika. Mix that well to combine everything. Now you're ready to make the sandwich. This is flax bread that I made. Fresh bread is the perk of being an eater, but the recipe is also on the blog. I'm just going to cut this in half. Add a bit of horseradish spread to each side of the bread. Then add a few leaves of basil to cover the lower side of the bread. The ham spread is next. About 2 tablespoons will cover the bread. All you need now is the top half. I'm going to cut this in half, but you can cut these sandwiches into thirds or even quarters. Yes, you can buy ham spread in a little tin, but that tastes like it came out of a little tin. This spread is smoky and salty and has a light sweetness from the pear and crunch from the pine nuts. Add fresh basil and fresh bread, and you have a sandwich worthy of a wine party. When people say fresh wine, the first grape I think of is corvina. It's got lip-smacking tartness and fresh cherry for days. The rosé we're having will be lighter than a red corvina, which is perfect for a light and creamy ham salad. Both wines are from Verona in northern Italy. This region's weather is influenced by the nearby Alps, but also the large bodies of water nearby. It's cool there, but warmer than Alsace, so these wines will be fuller tasting, a step up from the previous course. They're a very light pink and have a fresh flavor to match, strawberries and citrus. I'm a corvina fan, but what about today's eaters? Let's see.
Very smooth Pasqua.
Yeah, they're both really interesting.
Lovely.
I know it's called deviled ham, but that was pretty angelic in my opinion, and paired well with the fruity rosé. I think these wines were among the faves too.